We have no limit. We can attend so many companies also. So hi, my name is Monica and I'm from Visakhapatnam. I have completed my BTech in 2020. So basically I'm a computer science student. So as I'm a computer science student, I only know basics of C and everything, coding. So after that I was trying to learn something new when a random Google search. So I found this GUI where I have gone through all the instructions. So I tried. So first we have a pre-boot camp where they will say basics of JavaScript and everything. So after the pre-boot camp, only if we like the pre-boot camp we can join that. So we will have a basic coding exam. So in that we will be given three coding questions. In that two are basic and one is advanced. So basically I was always felt difficult to write code, but after attending the pre-boot camp I attempted two codes. So I left one because it was a little bit difficult. So I was sent to the main boot camp. So then the main thing was started, where we were started with basics like HTML, CSS and basics of JavaScript and everything. So like the framework called as React.js and the backend and everything covered in the 6 months. After 6 months I have been placed in a decent company with a decent package as a front-end developer. I have never expected that I will become a developer, but I made that. So how I have cracked the interviews, like we will have so many rounds. In that first is like they will be give a task, and if we clear the task they will give technical round 1 2, like that. It may differs based on the company. So how my journey was with GUI is like, I was a weekend batch where every week they will come and teach a new topics and give us a very new tasks also. We have to complete that within 2 days. So after that we have attended many mock interviews also, and after that we have attended many hackathons also. So this all helped us crack the interview in a easy way. And when it comes to coding, we will have something called as code kata, where every topic will be covered in that. So it was like basic to high level we have to practice. So it was such a good platform where we can practice coding. And when it comes to placement, there is no limit. Like we will get so many mails every day. And after 6 months I have got so many mails, like so many mails from the placement department. We can choose our location also, we can choose our package. It depends. And we can give online interviews also. It was very easy for me, where I have attended 3 interviews till now. In that I have cracked second interview. First I haven't cracked first interview. It happens, but we have many choice, right? So we can try. And we have no limit. We can attend so many companies also. And when it comes to mentor, I had a great mentors. Like when I get a doubt, I used to raise a query. So immediately after 1 hour they used to call me and ask me what's the doubt, and they clear me with lot of patience. So because of GUI I have been placed within 6 months. I have never expected. So I thought that I have to attend so many interviews, but no need. I just attended 2 interviews where I got placed in second one. Also after second one I have attended third one, but it was my choice. So I also suggested my two of my friends, where I was satisfied very much because of their teaching, because of the mentors, where they take care of us individually. So no time issues and nothing. They will explain in very patient way. So thanks for GUI.